Hello and welcome to my video. In this video I will show how you can work with the Vue.js with the subchild component. So you basically can make a generic design and a function and then put it inside your other Vue component. So you can start building your application in small pieces and then reuse your code. It's very nice if you have working with the jQuery. You sometimes have the issue. You need to remember where you have the code, you need to copy it back and do it over and over again. So in Vue.js, this issue is resolved very well, and the way it's working is very smart in my opinion. So let's starting to build it. First I want to build a new child.vue. In this I need a template, of course, and then I need to say subchild, because this is the root. Every time you have a template you need a root container. In this container I will use a div tag. Then I want to say h2, this is child.vue file, and then we go for align for hr, and then I want to uli. Oops. And yeah, go. I need to build my script down here and make an export inside here, and I need to change here. Yes, webpack should be started very well. Yes, and I'm going in here, and this is not what it's an other tutorial I work with, so I will go inside for the other one, and just a second, and you can see it here, and we go back, and what I want here is I need the data. That's what we want to return. Make a function so we can see what has happened. I know that's a faster way, but I love to see there's no discussions about what this is. So in my option, I love to do it this way. I'm coding in multi-language, so I'm pretty safe when it's look like each other. I need a return first here, and I need a return for title. No, this is wrong. I need to put this inside the title and up here, the title. And then I need the child loop. In my child loop, I want an array with the objects. Inside here, I want a title. First title. And then description. First description from Vue child.vue file. Come in here, and I will view 3. So 1, 2, 3 second and third. If I'm saving this, it should be compiled correct, and it's doing it. Yep. And then we need a for loop up here, because what we need to do is we need a child and an index key in child loop. And what we do up here is say the first one should be the index. And then we go for the next, should be a strong, should be child, and then the title, and then a break tag, and it should be strike now. So what we want here, it's a strike, there's a child, and the description, and end strike. This is how the loop working. and we're still compiling correct. But if we're going back for a browser, you can see it's nothing happened. It's because we don't include it right now. So let's go back for the hello Vue file. What you need here, it's to starting to build a container, a root container. We can just call it root here. And then we go down, we make a HR tag, and right now we don't do anything small. And import here subchild from child.vue, and then close this tag. And we need to tell them that, hey, we have a component inside, so components. And then we need which component, and I will call it sub test child. And which component we need for this tag should be subchild. The only thing I need to do now is basically to do this. If everything is running perfect, it's compiling correct, it should be showing what I'm doing, and it's done. You see first, second, and third. If I'm going inside and change this and say third hello child view, and I'm going back here, it's changed. A little spelling error here, but you know what I mean. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. If you have any question or comments, please make comments below. I'll try to answer them as fast as I can. And I hope you want to subscribe my channel and share this video and make it a like. See you next time.